We've all been there. A friend comes to you with a massive life crisis, and within minutes, you've mapped out a brilliant, flawless game plan for them. But the moment you face a similar problem in your own life, your mind just goes completely blank. It happens because when we look at someone else's situation, we are entirely detached. But when the stakes are our own, fear and anxiety hijack the process. You lose the ability to see the board because you're a piece in the game. This ability to stay objective is why problem solving sits at the top of every professional soft skill list. In a high-stakes environment, your professional value is tied directly to the scale of the problems you can navigate through to a conclusion. To get past that initial emotional static, you have to physically extract the problem from your head. Grab a piece of paper, draw a line down the middle, and list the hard variables, the pluses and the minuses. You have to look at your own life through the eyes of an external consultant. The goal is to neutralize your own emotional interference before you make a single move. Once you're thinking clearly, the next trap is speed. It's a natural instinct to hear a symptom and immediately start throwing out possible fixes. But to solve an issue permanently, we have to look back almost a century. In the early days of the Toyota Motor Corporation, they developed a methodology that focused on depth over speed. Instead of patching defects at the end of the assembly line, they systematically hunted down the exact moment an error originated in the process. Look at the cross-section of a tree. In their 5 whys method, when you encounter a symptom like dying leaves, ask why 5 times. Stopping early only treats downstream effects. Asking repeatedly reveals the root problem, like unclear ownership. Address only the surface, and the exact same failure will manifest elsewhere. Permanent resolution requires the discipline to drill down until you hit rock bottom. When you reach that root cause, you might still feel stuck. To force your brain out of paralysis, start by asking yourself, what can I do? Mandate a list of at least 10 possible alternative paths. Next, ask, what can I research? This moves the focus from your own limitations to the aggregated experience of the rest of the world. Out of billions of people, someone has likely already survived and solved your exact obstacle. The solution exists in a book or an archive. You just have to locate the historical data. The third question brings in outside expertise, but the wording is vital. Most people naturally ask, can you help me? But the magic question is, can you teach me? Asking to be taught is a powerful psychological trigger. It disarms the other person's defenses and honors their experience, yielding much higher quality guidance. By moving through these 3 inquiries, you stop agonizing over a problem in isolation. It becomes a structured data gathering mission. Generating a great idea is only half the battle. Research into high-performing teams shows that their success comes from their ruthless efficiency in identifying and killing bad ideas. Ineffective groups often over-prioritize harmony. They want everyone to feel good, which inadvertently allows flawed plans to move forward because no one wanted to cause friction. To prevent this, the strongest teams mandate a devil's advocate phase. They assign someone to hunt for structural flaws in the proposed plan. Think of your solution like this bridge blueprint. You aggressively predict every variable that could cause the design to fail. Finding breaking points early prevents catastrophic losses. Once exposed, the team iterates toward a reinforced design. You should only have confidence in a solution after you have actively tried and failed to destroy it from every possible angle. Running the protocol means detaching emotions, drilling down with the 5 whys, gathering data with the 3 questions, and stress testing the final result. These frameworks turn the chaotic work of troubleshooting into a predictable, mechanical exercise. Anyone who applies these steps consistently can effectively outcalculate their own hesitation. Take the biggest obstacle sitting in front of you right now. Pick just one of these frameworks